Let us welcome to next session. Uh, that is revision. Now today I'll start with the revision starting. Expand the numbers. Expand the numbers. If for example in examination, if the question is asked like expanded form of numbers or expand the numbers. How to expand the numbers? Number is given. For example, 346. If the question is expand the numbers, how to expand this? Let us start with the revision. Okay, now we will write here 3 digit is there, means ones place, tens place and hundred place, means 3 digits. You have to write 100 place value according to place value chart. These are how to read this 346. Then how to expand this number? First we will take this number 3 as it is into 100. 300 plus 4 tens. How many tens are here? 4 tens plus 6 ones. 6 ones. 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 6 ones. According to this place value chart, I wrote direct answer here 100, 10 and 1. 3, I have taken this number, here is 3 as it is in 100 place. 4, this number. We are writing here this 4 as usual, and here tens. In which place it is? It is in tens place. So we are writing 10. 6. This is 6. I wrote as usual 6, and it is in ones place. So we wrote this type. Now we got the answer. Now how to write this in expanded form? It is first step. Okay. Now we will go to next second step, that is 300. 3 into 100, 300. 4 into 10, 40. 6 into 1, 6. This is the answer. Whenever the question will ask, that time you have to write this answer. You have to write this answer. 300 plus 40 plus 6. Don't write in words. Don't write in words. You have to write in numbers. Expand the numbers. When question is asked, you have to write like this in a numbers. In numbers. 300 plus 40 plus 6. 346. 346. Yes. Now I'll go to next one. Please copy this. Okay. Now I will erase this. Second one. Second one. 267. 267. How to expand this number? First write these two as usual and start writing from 100. First you have to see there whether it is a 2 digit, 3 digit. When 3 digits are there, that time you have to write 100. Okay, if 2 digits are there, then write 10 according to that place value chart. See here, 1 2 3, here 1 2 3, 100. Now we are writing this as usual 6, this 6. Next 10 afterwards, sorry, 100 afterwards 10. It is in 10th place. Ones, tens, 100 place. Say ones, tens, 100. 200, 6 tens, 7 ones. Directly without draw that place value chart, you can write a direct answer. You can write direct answer. 200, 6, 10 plus this 7 is there. Write 7 and 1. It is in ones place. So we are writing 1. Now we can write this, simplify. 200 plus 60 plus 7. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. When you will expand the numbers, any numbers, then you have to write this like. This is the final answer. You have to write the answer like this. 200 plus 60 plus 7. This is the method. Okay, copy this. Now I'll go to next one. Third one. Little speed I'll go because already you know that how to solve these problems. Now just I'm taking revision. Now 532. In this case, here also 5 into 100 plus 3. This 3 is that multiplication into 10 plus 2 into 1. Now see here 500 plus 30 plus 2. 532. If you expand these numbers, we got the answer like this: 500 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, copy this, children. Now next number, few more example I'll solve. Fourth one. Now I'll take 121. Okay, 121. Here this one is there. Write that 1 into, it is in 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. If you want to write this upside, you can write it. Otherwise, if okay. So for your convenience, I am writing here upside. Ones, tens, 100. If you are perfect, then no need to write this ones, tens, 100. You can write a direct answer. Okay. 1, this one I wrote into 100 plus 2 into 10 it is in tens place, 2 it is in tens place, 10 and 1, this 1 into ones, 1, this number 1 we wrote here, into ones, that is a place value chart 1 we wrote here. Now simplify this, 1 into 100, 100 plus 210, 20 plus 1 into 1. Now 100 plus 20 plus 1. This is the final answer. Now next number, fifth one, when 0 will come, that time what we have to do, I will take 1 0. Okay, now 305. How to write these numbers in expanded form? 3 as usual, it is ones place, tens place, 100 place. Once again I will write here. Okay, this 3 we will write here 3. It is in 100 place, so we are writing 100 plus 0. Write 0 as usual, into tens place, means 10 plus, always you have to write plus between the numbers. Please remember, always you have to write plus between the numbers. When this is part is over, afterwards you have to write plus sign. Now here plus 5, it is in ones place, so 5 ones, 5 ones, we wrote 1. Now simplify this, 300, move 0 into 10, 0, 0 into 10, 0. Now 5 into 1, 5, 300 plus 0 plus 5, or this is also correct, or you can write 300 plus, no necessary to write this 0, because here nothing is there, means you can omit that, you can erase that. Now we can write directly answer 5. This number only we can write here 5. 300 plus 5, because this is a no value. No value, so we are erasing or we are omitting that number and we are writing direct numbers here, 300 plus 5. You can write this answer also or this number also. This is also correct. Here this is also correct. Both are correct. Okay. Or I will write here 300 plus 0 plus 5. If you wrote, this is also correct. If you wrote 300 plus 5, direct answer, it is also correct. No problem with the last final step. Now sixth one. Now 460, I will take 460. If 0 will come last, in last place, that is in ones place, that time how to write this? Now once again, here 110 and ones, we wrote 4, this number into 100 plus 6 into 10, that is in tens place. Okay, now 0 we have in ones place, we are writing as usual here. Now simplify this. 400 plus 60 here plus 0. Final here we got 0 into 1 means 0. No necessary to write this last number. Okay, we can write 400 plus 60 direct, we can write this also. This is also correct. 400 plus 60. This is the procedure to expand the numbers. Expand the numbers. I will show one, that is tricks how to write the numbers in direct form. Seventh one. $582. I'll take one number. How to write this number? We can write it direct form also. 5 is there, write 500. It is in 100 place. 500 plus 80. It is in tens place, so we wrote 80. 2, it is in ones place. We can write direct also. 500 plus 80 plus 2.